friends, let's do a first ever unboxing together. I live in the state of New York, and I believe it's the same in the state of California. You have to pay for bags when you go to the grocery store or any store for that matter. And it can be like up to 10 cents per bag. And if you're doing a big grocery load, like that's kind of a lot of bags. So my friends over at Lotus Trolley Bag, I will tag them here. Please visit them, give them a lot of love. Sent me some reusable bags. I cannot wait to open them and show you how cute and adorable they are. Anybody else excited? This is cuter than I anticipated. Look at how nice these are. Look at this. You put them right in your shopping cart. Look at that. Oh my gosh. No, really, these are super cute. The colors are cute. Let's look at the quality here, guys. Oh, there's an egg pocket. Do you see that? Do you see that? There's a pocket for your eggs and your wine. That is so creative. Okay, there's even more. There's an insulated bag, an egg and wine pocket, removable poles, and they're washable. I never dreamed that grocery bags or shopping bags could be this wonderful. I think the only way they could be more wonderful is they came with an nanny. I think that's it, the only way. These are not your like cheapo bags. These are amazing. Look at these. Wow, I'm really, really impressed. I was not expecting them to be this nice when they contacted me. Oh, there's more. They sent me a cute little note. Look at. They also sent me a produce bag, which I just got, or I just saw. Oh my gosh, there's a ton of produce bags. Wow. Super cute colors, different sizes. They're so cute. They're so nice. So their whole thing is plastic free, but I'm all about saving money, and having your own bag, especially in the state of New York, will definitely save you money. The quality looks, like I just said, way better than I ever thought. Anyways, they did not pay me to do any of this. They did send me the bags for free, and I'm blown away actually by them.